Hello viewers, welcome to RReduVids. Prototyping phase makes the design thinker move closer to concretizing the idea into a physical or virtual prototype. This phase helps the design thinker to understand the extent to which the user requirements are met and also creates an opportunity to fail early. Failing early means providing a chance to rethink on the idea and come out with a better one which is more closer to the user requirement. The techniques include cardboard prototyping, sketching, landing page, business model canvas, storyboard, role play, rehearsals, wireframing, desktop walkthrough, journey map, mood boards, interactive click modeling, pilot. It is advisable to have multiple minimum cost prototypes generated during this phase. Thank you viewers for watching RReduVids. Please like, share and subscribe to RReduVids. Namaste.